Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day, an amazing weekend, enjoying each moment because you're not guaranteed tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button, join 69,000 people, which we hit today. Smash up the thumbs up button. Bitcoin broke out of that bull flag and then pulled back straight away, and everyone I think is going to panic. In my opinion, that shows a lot of strength. So we're going to jump into touch, see what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades and what's happening in my accounts. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals, this was the bull flag that I talked about in the earlier video. We had this breakout of this this white trend line is a very important one that Bitcoin broke through. It's been going down since November 11th. So when it broke through here, that was a very good sign that Bitcoin's going bullish. But now we're at this blue line, and this blue line is a 2-year trend line. That's a big resistance now that Bitcoin has to get through, because when it broke through that blue trend line, to come back up, to go bull market again, we need to get back above the blue line. So that's a very strong resistance that Bitcoin needs to break through, and we're sitting at this resistance. We have a lot of volume though, that's a good sign. But again, look how closely to the blue line we actually came. Look how close we touched it. In the last 1 hour, we actually came very close to it, and it got rejected off it strongly. However, this is a really good sign in the fact that you can see here we had a moving average cross, it headed down, and now we have this moving average cross to head up. So it's kind of bullish now. Stochastic heading up, we've got a lot of volume. On the 4-hourly, Bitcoin is forming this giant bull flag. This is the one I pointed out in the last video. We have the pole, we have the flag, and then we spiked up. Bitcoin spiked up and then it instantly sold off, which is very interesting. However, that's actually really bullish because there was a lot of buying. It spiked in, and what happened, why it pulled back. So I'm going to show you that candle that shows how it pulled back. See how it spiked up, this red candle here. We had a movement we had almost 13,000 Bitcoin traded in that 1 hour. In that 4 hours, 13,000 Bitcoin. It went from 42,240 to 41,100. So $1,100 movement. Why that's really bullish is it shows a lot of buying happened. Someone bought a lot of Bitcoin, and then there was a lot of sell orders at the 42K. So Bitcoin got bought up, it shot through, and all these sell orders. And why do we have a lot of sell orders at the 42K? Because you can see that this is a huge resistance area. You can see at this $42,000 line, we had resistance here, we had resistance here, heaps of it in May, June, July. We had resistance here when it came as support when it came down. We had resistance and support when it was coming down in January of this year. So this area here is a massive support and resistance line. So Bitcoin really needs to break through here. And with that giant spike, it actually broke through, and then all those sell orders that were already set at 42 started selling off, and it pulled it back. So in my opinion, it's just a sign of what's going to happen. Now this bull flag is still in effect, and the distance we should move is the distance of the pole. So the distance is this distance for Bitcoin that we should be moving through from here to here. So this is the distance that I expect Bitcoin is going to make a movement, which will take us to around $46,480, which is beautiful. But again, this is a very heavy area of resistance. So longing here is not so smart because it can get sold off like we just saw very quickly because there's so much resistance at this point. So be careful opening long positions here. But spot positions, in my opinion, if we break through this blue line, this is the start of a big bull market for Bitcoin and all the altcoins. Let's go into the hourly charts, what's going to happen for the next few hours. We're still in this bull flag. It's back inside, or it's just underneath it, but trying to get back in. Stochastic turning up. We had a big spike up in volume. So in my opinion, we're going to stay up. And look how interesting this. Bitcoin has just been ranging for the last day or two within this very tight channel. It's just been moving between this channel here, around 41,198, and this channel here, 41,800. So around a $700 small channel, which is very rare for Bitcoin to do because usually it goes through a bigger movement area. But for the last few days, it's been channeling and building pressure. In my opinion, that pressure is going to break to the upside. So if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video in the description, you can join Bybit. So under the video here, smash up the thumbs up button, join 69,000 subscribers, which we're going to hit today. Click that subscribe button. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, Bitcoin Bybit trading link, this link down below. Click on this link, sign up, and you get $4,100 US when you sign up. And then you open this is my Bybit account. In here I've got $103,500, 103,000 US dollars, 2.5 Bitcoin, 1.4 Bitcoin here, $15,000 of Bit, $12,000 of cake. These are some altcoins that I'm holding, 11,000 of USD. This is the trade that I have open, a long position on Bitcoin. Currently in the negative, it's a small one. It's only around $4,000 position. But in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to go on that bull run, but face that very heavy resistance again at 42. It's going to take multiple attempts to break through that resistance. So be aware of that. So that's a quick update on Bitcoin. That's what I think is going to happen. I'm in a beautiful Tesla. check it out. Amazing. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, join 69,000, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.